Looking for great kids' Christmas toys for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1. Now kids can set friendship in motion. And imagine and play out adventures with Fisher-Price Thomas and Friends Adventures. Trackmaster, minis and wooden railway engines, all on the same track set, by Thomas and Friends. Number 2, a big hauler for bigger adventures. New cars are arriving to Hot Wheels City in the new Hot Wheels Mega Hauler, by Hot Wheels. Number 3, beware, young adventurers. The security barriers holding back this ferocious T-Rex can open at the turn of the power pad. The Doctor jumps into action, using the projectile launcher to try regain control of the dinosaur, by Fisher-Price. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.